Another year down for Ecea Youth Racing. While we had some mechanicals that all seemed to hit during this series, Luke showed a ton of speed against some of the best talent on the East Coast. Just as exciting as the racing is the year-end banquet. Luke always looks forward to this, and they don't spare any expenses with a ton of swag and then ending the day at the water park. Luke always looks forward to hanging out with all his race friends. Thanks Andrew and Megan for all your efforts toward the youth program. I don't think everyone knows how much goes into this role, and it's much appreciated, and the hard work shows with this being the best youth program out there. This year was a little different, bringing the two littlest ones, and nap time called right during the banquet. So not much footage from the actual banquet. I did enjoy a little quiet time with the boys, while Mom got to grab some pictures of Luke. The boys sure were rested and excited to hit the water park. And not lying, I think I was too.